Today, let's bust myths about female fertility and the menstruation cycle through Nari paila cycle. Pick any of the characters and the difficulty level of your choice. Bijay wants to have a baby with his wife Sita, but they have not been successful. So Bijay's Baba is teaching him about the menstrual cycle using wheels and buckets as examples. You too can learn about it by reading the text or turning up your volume. The aim of the game is to help Bijay get to the water wheel, pick a white bucket and bring it back up to water the plant.
But be aware of the Yetis. If they catch you, escape by busting his mitts.
Move the character by using the arrow buttons on the left and right bottom corner of your screen. Get your bucket by reaching here. Water the plant by reaching here. Just like the fact that not everyone gets pregnant on the first attempt and have to keep on trying, you'll have to water the plant 3 times until it fully blooms to win the game. Now finish the game by busting the myth with the right facts. Thank you for learning about Nari paila cycle. Click on the box to download now.